Join us while we do a maintenance wash on a 90s classic. Older paint can be unpredictable, especially if you don't know the history. Paint techniques weren't quite what they are today, so we're approaching this with an optimistic caution. Here's some interior shots. We're not doing the interior, but it looks good, so we thought we'd show you anyway. So back to the wash. We're using Infinity Wax Pure Shampoo and the Mammoth Fluffmeister. This shampoo is great for older paint because it's a no-fuss pH balanced shampoo with only 3 ingredients, so nothing that would potentially hamper the paint. Load up the mitt with shampoo. We've also got a clean rinse bucket, but that's out of shot. There's lots of nooks and crannies on this Porsche 993 Turbo and panel gaps, which is pretty common on older cars. This wash mitt is good for safely getting around the car, especially wing mirrors, lights, badges and spoilers. As you can see, we've got a few curves to get around on this. Then it's time for a good rinse, making sure you don't miss those little nooks and crannies. When it comes to drying, pooling water in panel gaps can be a problem on older cars, so to prevent any risk, we've reached for the Blo Air-S. This will get into all the areas a drying towel can and blast that sitting water out of gaps. For something that costs £100, it's a good bit of kit. We still use a microfiber for the larger areas. This is the Purestar Duplex Drying Towel, which pretty much drinks all the water off the paint.